We recommend everyone to know Cyber Monday 2020 of Porto-Power B65115 Black Red Hydraulic Body Repair 19-piece kit 10-ton capacity. Now Amazon Cyber Monday 2020 are started. Cyber Monday is an online event that is hosted on the first Monday after the Thanksgiving holiday. Cyber Monday originated in the United States and is an online shopping event that encourages customers to do their holiday shopping online. Cyber Monday is now often seen as a continuation of Black Friday sales. Again, now Amazon Cyber Monday 2020 are started. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification, type, brand and more. Amazon will Cyber Monday 2020 from November 28 to 30th, bringing customers 72 hours of some of the top products of the season. Don't miss out on all of the holiday event, these deals will go fast. If you want to get highlight features and full review of Porto-Power B65115 Black Red Hydraulic Body Repair 19-piece kit 10-ton capacity, please visit the link in YouTube description below. Overview, summary or highlight features. The 10-ton capacity model gives you the extra muscle you need to get the job done right. Snap lock design for quick and easy assembly. Automatic pump overload system protects against damage to rams and equipment. Heavy walled extension tubes stand up in tough situations. Flex head features permanently molded rubber pad interlock to prevent separation. Long handles provides low pumping effort. 1/2 ton capacity hydraulic spreader features 2 inch jaws and spreads from 5/8 to 3 3/4 inch. Custom fitted, rugged blow molded storage case with wheels for easy movement between jobs. Total weight, 92 pounds. And if you do not understand, not sure or have questions, you can leave questions in the comments box. In addition, if you think our channel that's something useful for you, please press to subscribe us and press the bell. Look for all press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.